Ethiopian friends, my Ethiopian brothers and sisters, my Ethiopian family. My name is Gabriel Christian. For many years, we have worked with Prince Umir Selassie, Haile Selassie, and for the benefit of Ethiopia and all of Africa, Africans at home and abroad, to include Ethiopians. Today we're very sad to hear of the death of Hachalu Hundessa, a great singer of the Ethiopian nation who came from the Oromo people, our dearly beloved kindred or kith and kin. We ask that those who were involved in his killing face exemplary punishment, certainly it be investigated, and that they be punished to the fullest extent of the law. But while I say this, I'm also greatly distressed. Today, July 2nd, 2020, is the 21st birthday of my son, Makonnen Christian. I named my son Makonnen Christian, my wife and I, because we believe in the victory of the Ethiopian nation at the Battle of Adwa, at which Ras Makonnen was a leader in that fight for the freedom of not only Ethiopia, but all of Africa. In the aftermath of the death of Hachalu Hundessa, some persons saw it fit to destroy the statue of Ras Makonnen in Ethiopia and the statue of Emperor Haile Selassie in England. Those events were regrettable and, frankly, not helpful. Ethiopia is a great nation. All Ethiopia's leaders, as with leaders all over the world, are, of course, balanced by the good that they may have done and the bad they may have done. However, it is of note that but for people like Ras Makonnen and Emperor Haile Selassie, there would not have been an Ethiopian nation that today is the seat of the organization, used to be of African Unity, now the African Union. Ethiopia is embarked on a great project to modernize and to work on the grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, the GERD, which this month will be filled, hopefully, in ways that will not cause any antagonism with its sister nation of Egypt. We respect Ethiopia in its history. We respect the leadership of Ethiopia in the African diaspora as a force of progress and unity and determination and the liberty of all its people. At this moment, as we mourn the death of Hachalu Hundessa, let us remember the importance of unity and peace and understanding among all Ethiopians, at home and abroad. Let it be that Ethiopians in the diaspora are forces for good, for transformation of the country into a science and technological power in Africa, in education, in healthcare, in agriculture, in electricity production through the GERD. Let it not be that Ethiopia is remembered at this moment of great opportunity as a country where Amhara are fighting Oromo, Oromo fighting Tigrayans, and Ethiopia is fighting Eritrea, because that is not the example that the emperor would want. That is not the example that Ras Makonnen would want. That is not the example, I would dare say, that Hachalu Hundessa, who was a great singer, was a man of love and understanding and spirit and freedom, would want for his beloved people. So let us get together, all of us who love Ethiopia, all of us who love Africa, to settle our differences peacefully, to work together to resolve the misunderstandings as to opportunity and the equality of opportunity in that great state. And so we can continue to build on the gains that have been accrued over the years, because we believe in one united and strong Ethiopian nation, as we believe in one strong and united African community. God bless Ethiopia. God bless the memory of Hachalu Hundessa, and God bless the memory of Ras Makonnen, Emperor Menelik, Emperor Selassie, and all those who helped to make Ethiopia and Africa prosperous, united, and free. Thank you very much as we ask you to work for peace. Thank you.